just put a line up there, Sean. I'm not quite sure. The cushions, you know from playing, they are sliding a little bit. I'm not quite sure whether that angle is actually on.
Yeah, no, I think the cushions are sliding too much, and the cue ball would miss those 2 reds on the back cushion. This needs to be accurate through the gap.
Well, and a miss.
That's gone all sorts of wrong.
Max LB4.
I've gotten away with it, Ken. Oh no.
Yeah. Well, I tell you what, Tatiana, you got your work cut out here. If this tells it to put the cue ball back, he should be getting overtime to put this one. He doesn't want to do it. He doesn't want to do it, the poor Tatiana, because.
What are we saying?
Putting the jigsaw puzzle back together. He's so cruel.
Olivia, I think only 1 red moved.
It could be quite a while. Let's put a bit of music on.
Tea, coffee, Ken?
Cue ball, touch stick. Bit to bit. Bit more.
Well, I suppose the good thing is that, she's got Olivier Martial helping her. He's got the screen in front of him.
Yellow next to the brown. Yeah, stop. A little bit to the right. Full ball. A little bit more. Touch more.
But this is where
That's good.
And we've got 2 reds.
So good, these referees. Tatiana is one of the best in the business.
Diagonally towards the pink. Towards the pink.
Of course,
Towards
wife
you.
of professional player Ben Willison.
Up. More. Full ball. Yeah, and now away from you. Bit more. Touch more. Yeah. And the pink
Tell you what,
slightly towards.
Put all the balls back in the same position. He plays the same shot.
It's perfect.
What's going to happen then?
Not bad at all.
Very good. Yeah, well done. Well, fair play to you. Hats off. Well.